This is Charlie's nature garden. It's devoted to all types of nature, hedgehogs, bees, birds, whatever else may stray into the garden. It can hopefully find somewhere to live and make a home. This is a model church. Sorry about the shadows and the bad camera work. This was one of the first creations. Moving over to the little thatched cottage. Just recently had a bit of a rethatch. As you can see, the workmen are still finishing the roof off. Coming round, we have the water mill, a working water wheel, which is powered by a solar pump. A little bit of a water butt over the front door for birds to drink out of. This, as you can see, is done in a brick pattern, slightly different to the stone. Little miller there with his bags of flour. Because we have an aerodrome quite locally, we incorporated a little Nissen hut and a little aerodrome, complete with conning tower, working radar, and there is the man from the ministry just keeping an eye on things. Could even be Barnes Wallis at them. Moving across here to the other industrial building in the hedgehog garden, we have the smithy with water trough and tap, anvil, as you can see, doing a bit of shoeing of horses, pulley wheel. Around the front of the smithy, the little penned area for the horses while they're waiting to be shod. And there you can just see the sign, possibly, the old smithy. And finally, oh look, there's some lockdown breakers there having a drink. They're going to be in trouble, and it looks like there's a couple of jeeps from the airbase. They shouldn't be there. The flowers are coming through nicely though. That's another one with a thatch roof. They're all slightly different, although they're all made on the same sort of design basis, as you can see. There's a natural hedgehog mound. And just to give you a little quick show inside one of the houses, we have a tube just inside the door, make it difficult for cats to get in. There's a little bit of a food, water and insulated bedding area for the hedgehogs to go. So, hope you enjoy this short video. It's been fun making it, a lot of work, but well worth the effort. Thank you.